Are tarot cards a gateway to the spirit world? Many believe that tarot cards offer a window into the unknown or a way to communicate with the dead. If you've ever felt nervous about using tarot because of this belief, you're not alone. It's a common concern, and it's rooted in some fascinating myths and cultural misconceptions. So let's unpack this idea and find the truth. If you are new here, welcome to the Memorizing Tarot Cards podcast, your 3-minute lessons on learning and memorizing each card using symbolism. Today, we're exploring common misconceptions about tarot cards. We have done 2 complete rounds of 3-minute episodes where we learn the cards upright and reversed. Before we jump back into it, I wanted to switch gears for the holiday season and share my opinions on some common tarot misconceptions. Let's get started. So, why do people believe tarot cards attract spirits? This belief likely stems from a few key sources. First, it might be the tarot's mystical reputation. Tarot has long been associated with the occult. Some people think that because tarot connects us to unseen energies, like our intuition, it must also open the door to spirits or ghosts. Second, movies and TV shows often depict tarot dramatically, such as summoning spirits or predicting ominous events. This portrayal reinforces the idea that tarot is tied to supernatural forces. Third, misunderstanding divination. Many confuse divination tools like tarot with practices intended to communicate with spirits, such as ouija boards or seances. While these are entirely different, tarot is often lumped into the same category. So, what is the truth about tarot and spirits? Let's set the record straight. Tarot cards do not inherently attract spirits or ghosts. Tarot is a tool for reflection and guidance. Its power comes from your intuition, intentions, and connection to the cards, not from external entities. Here are a few reasons why. The first reason is that the tarot is neutral. The cards are simply a deck of illustrated paper. They can't summon or attract anything unless you intentionally use them as part of a spiritual practice designed to do so. Another reason is that your energy drives the reading. The energy in a tarot reading comes from you, the reader, and the questions or situations you're exploring. Spirits aren't involved unless you specifically invite them. If you approach tarot as a reflective and intuitive practice, there's no reason to fear unwanted spiritual activity. Next, let's talk about how to use tarot with confidence. If you're worried about spirits or ghosts while reading tarot, here are some tips to put your mind at ease. You can start by setting clear intentions. For example, you can say, I use these cards to connect with my intuition and to seek clarity. This focuses the reading on you, not external entities. You can also cleanse your cards. If you ever feel uneasy, you can cleanse the cards by passing them through smoke from sage or incense, knocking on it, or shuffling it to clear any lingering energy. The last thing I want to share about this is to trust yourself. Remember, you are in control of your tarot practice. The cards are a tool for self-reflection, and their energy is neutral until you bring your intentions to them. The bottom line is that tarot cards don't attract spirits or ghosts. They're tools for exploring your intuition and gaining clarity about a situation. If you approach tarot with focused intentions and an open mind, there's no need to worry about unwanted spiritual interference. That's all for today's episode. Remember, to memorize tarot, keep practicing tarot. Thanks for listening.